Yeah, in HTML table, let us have a tr. In this tr, first we need to put some headings. So th, heading, id, another th name, another th is email. Then here multiple trs should appear. As many records are there in the database table, as many trs. So this should be a Java code. We are going to write Java code here in JSP page. So at any point of time in JSP page, you can write Java code within this indicator, these markers. Okay, here you have persons. Earlier we displayed dollar angle, dollar braces, persons, means persons object you are displaying. How you can access that persons object in Java block? In Java block, the persons object is request attribute. It is a request attribute. So request dot get attribute. With what name you have the attribute? Persons. Okay, it returns java.lang.object. What it returns? Java.lang.object. That object we need to typecast to list, so that you can assign it to list of persons. Persons equals to, directly you cannot assign, it throws error because object cannot be assigned to list. So you have to typecast here. Typecasted. Now you need to loop through for single person, a single object from persons should be identified as person. Now this is actually whole Java block. How you wrote the Java block? Within this angle bracket percentile open and close. With those indicators you wrote Java block. Within the Java block again I need to write HTML tags, tr, tds. So I have to temporarily break the Java block here. Now here I can write the HTML stuff. That HTML stuff will be executed within the for loop. Okay, right. Now your tr and td. In tds you have to display the single person fields member data. Okay, so how you can display that single person data? Now this is another JSP element. Actually JSP elements are three types. One is Java block, angle bracket percentile. The other one is expression tag. What this is called? Expression tag. JSP expression tag. Angle bracket percentile equal symbol comes. Here you can write any variable name or you can call a method. So the variable value will be printed in the JSP page, or the method you are calling a method, right? Alternatively, the method return value will be printed in the JSP page. Return value will be converted to a string and that string will be displayed on the console, on the web page during the runtime. So here person object you have that person dot get ID. Person dot get ID. Now another two more TDs, angle bracket percentile equals person object dot get name, then TD close, another TD person dot get email, then this TD also close. So right, what do we got? The persons earlier has displayed, all the persons displayed in the form of a string. Now that string has been properly processed and displayed in the form of beautiful HTML table. Now application properties file, I may forget later. In the HBM to DDL auto create to update we need to change, and then let us stop this project. Okay, right, because we'll rerun. Otherwise effects we may not find all of the effects. All persons retrieved. After saving, another thing we wrote, save person registration, new person. Here new person P1. Very soon this new person is going to be obsoleted, because the person saved successfully in message we are going to display somewhere else. From where we came here? Person controller. Where is the person controller? Person controller. This is the person controller. whenever reg person came, what do? Save person method called, and then we are forwarding the control to new persons all the way another page. Here, instead of sending to another page, we'll redirect back to already existing page. What do? We are going to send back to already existing page. So what we can do? How do we need to do that? Just let's fix that. So here, instead of new person, new person, model and view. Let us send back to this page. Means new lowercase. So new person means controller comes back to control. My intention. I don't know whether will it exactly happen or not. My intention is this is the view name. So view name means control should come here. Then person form should appear. This is what actually I am expecting. Let us see whether exactly this will happen or not. So logically it will not happen. Instead of this, what do we do? Yeah, okay. Here directly let us display another JSP page name, another view component name. What is that? So many view components we have. Person form. Like that we have to write. But before this, redirect person form. Directly you cannot write this URL. This form you need to display. This view you need to display. Redirect you have to use. Now, upon successful saving, after saving successfully done, you will be redirected back to the same person form. In that person form, we will display this message, this P1 message. This P1 message will display in the person form itself. Where is the person form? Yeah, this is the person form. Here let us display P1. Angle bracket, braces, P1. This should be displayed if it is there. If it is not there, nothing. Okay, right. So let us start this project. Means this P1 object is there, it will display. Otherwise, null will be displayed. So it is not. Suppose here, if you wrote like this, what will happen? Result, a message displays. After result, blank. So what am I doing? I am not displaying even the result word. That result word even I am not displaying. So empty line. Okay. Later on I will fine tune again. Right click, run as SpringBoot application. This time tables are not dropped. Maybe it takes a lot of time in your machines while running. Right. See. Yeah. First I'll try to list out all the employees. List all the persons. Oh, what happened? List persons. Internal server error 500. Wow. Oh my god, so many errors. Let us stop and then we'll check what are errors. Cannot invoke list iterator because persons is null. How is it null? MySQL -view root, proot, rebel, show tables, select star from person. Yeah, it have data. Huh? Model attribute name is persons. Wow, thank you. Oh, no, sorry. All persons. Get attribute. See here, this should not be person. Get at persons. It should be. Because from where you are coming here? From the person controller you are coming here. Person controller, list persons. See, with what name you have added the object? Persons. So with persons, you should access the modal attribute. Yeah, will run again. Right, seems it started successfully. We'll go to the browser, then we'll run from the beginning. Yeah, list all persons. Wow. But if I gave border equal to 1, border lines also appears there. But again, there is a missing. How do I go back to, in the history I have to go back, that's all, no options. In the history, in the new person registration I have to click. Actually ID, that input field itself we should remove. That will do. Right, here Mahesh at hotmail.com, register. Ouch, what happened here? Person form, here it appeared. Person form question mark. So this is wrong way, it is going in a wrong way. P1 equal to, this message is okay, this is fine, but it should not appear here. Person form .jsp something should appear. Okay, right, let us fix that. Stop this. Yeah, couple of things we need to address now. They are anyways, after registration, message, and then overall flow also. Okay, right.